We're out here at Glen Iris. We are currently working on a partial demolition for an extension for the client. So we are moving through from the kitchen. Everything past this wall here is going to be completely pulled down. Because of the limitations of access, a lot of this job is going to have to be done manually, which is where we excel. We're very precise, so on jobs like this it's extremely important to know where your loads are and where to stop to not hinder the reinstatement side of the work. So this back room here, we're going to next pull the roof framing down and then gradually drop the walls and then cut all the rubbish to the front because we can't get a truck down the side.